Welcome back, everybody. Again, this is Jonathan Crable, Assistant Professor in Business Management. Today we're going to talk a little bit about an introduction for Learning Unit 2. You've already got through for the first Learning Unit. You've had Connect assignments. You've had your first exam. What we want to talk about today in Learning Unit 2 is going to be a little bit more in-depth when it comes to management and some of the structure that businesses take here in the 21st century. So we're going to look at chapters 5. We're going to look at chapters 6 and 7 as well, and touch on some of the management, some of the entrepreneurship, some of the leadership topics in today's global and business environment. From an assignment standpoint, your first writing assignment is going to be due somewhere in Learning Unit 2, so you can go to our classroom and writing assignments to check those out. And as always, go in and do those Connect assignments through SmartBook, through the McGraw-Hill product there, and make sure you're getting those accomplished. It's a big part of the course, not only from a foundational layer, but it also helps you out with your grade as well. We want to focus on that too. So some of the learning objectives that we're going to have here in Learning Unit 2: define the 5 forms of a business organization, explain the reasons why one of those may work better than some of the other ones that are going to be out there, and there's a lot of different arguments for those. In today's day and age, entrepreneurship and small business is a key component of our economy. We want to look at some of the benefits of entrepreneurship, and also when you're operating a small business, why you may have success or it may fail. We'll look at those too. When we look at management, we want to look at the 4 different functions of management. We're going to go into those in depth and apply a SWOT analysis to a contemporary organization, to a business in today's environment. And from a SWOT, that's one of the tools that we're going to have that you're going to see, especially if you're a business management major, time and time again, class and class again, because it's really one of those key components that you use to take a good snapshot and go in depth to what the successes and failures of a business might be. We want to define the various types of planning used by businesses. And lastly, from an executive leadership standpoint, we want to look at the different styles that leaders have. And when you go and you compare this to your current job or a job that you've had in the past, you're going to find a lot of similarities. You're going to find a lot of actionable items in these last two areas, right? How, as a manager or as middle management, how did you go through the tactical, strategical, operational types of planning? And lastly, from a leadership standpoint, what type of leader do you see yourself being? And then also being able to apply those styles to leaders, whether it's in political, business, or your personal life. Thanks for your time today, guys. Go ahead and ask your own instructor whatever questions you might have, and get back into the book. Bye-bye.